AWS CDK Mixins address the challenge of balancing immediate access to new AWS features with higher-level abstractions in infrastructure code. Previously, teams had to choose between L1 constructs for new features or L2 constructs for convenience, often requiring significant rework. CDK Mixins solve this by allowing you to add reusable abstractions to any construct type. You can add features to constructs using a simple syntax, create custom L2 constructs by combining mixins, and apply compliance policies across your infrastructure. This enables you to maintain day one access to new AWS features while enforcing security and compliance standards, simplifying the maintenance of custom construct libraries. AWS Glue zero-ETL lacked flexibility in capturing data changes from DynamoDB sources. The new features address this by allowing you to configure CDC refresh intervals and trigger on-demand ingestion. You can now set refresh intervals between 15 minutes and 6 days to match your business needs. This helps optimize your data pipeline performance by balancing frequent updates with cost considerations. The on-demand ingestion feature lets you capture critical data changes immediately, ensuring data is available for time-sensitive analytics or applications. These enhancements bring DynamoDB integrations to parity with other SaaS sources, providing consistent functionality across different data sources in AWS Glue zero-ETL. Organizations need secure, compliant, and quickly recoverable backups for Amazon EKS clusters. AWS Backup now supports logically air-gapped vaults for EKS, addressing this need. You can store immutable backups in isolated vaults, ensuring data integrity and compliance. These backups can be shared across accounts and regions, improving disaster recovery capabilities. You can manage the backups using familiar AWS tools like the console, API, or CLI. When needed, you can initiate direct restores from the shared vaults, eliminating the need to copy backups first and reducing recovery time. This feature is available in 24 AWS regions, providing widespread access to enhanced EKS backup and recovery options. Previously, developers had to poll for changes in Amazon Bedrock AgentCore Memory's long-term memory, which was inefficient and potentially resource-intensive. The new streaming notifications feature solves this problem by providing real-time updates. You can now receive push notifications when memory records are created or modified, eliminating the need for polling. Updates stream directly to Amazon Kinesis, allowing you to trigger downstream workflows and refresh application state automatically. This feature is available in 15 AWS regions, enabling broader implementation across different geographical areas. By leveraging these capabilities, you can create more responsive and efficient applications that utilize AgentCore Memory's long-term memory insights for personalized user experiences. Amazon S3 users often struggle with finding globally unique bucket names and managing buckets across regions. The new Account Regional Namespaces feature solves this by allowing you to create buckets in a reserved namespace. You can now create buckets in your own namespace, use consistent names across regions, simplify bucket management as your storage needs grow, and enforce naming policies. To use this feature, add a namespace header when creating buckets via API or include your account regional suffix in CloudFormation templates. This feature is available in 37 AWS regions at no extra cost. AWS Elastic Beanstalk users previously had to wait for deployments to complete before accessing logs and correlating events from multiple sources. The new Deployments tab solves this by providing a consolidated view of deployment history and real-time progress. You can view deployment status, events, and detailed logs in a single interface, even during ongoing deployments. The tab displays recent deployments, including application deployments, configuration updates, and environment launches. Each deployment view includes events and a consolidated log capturing all steps of the process. This feature is available for all Elastic Beanstalk Linux-based platforms across AWS commercial and GovCloud regions. Certificate management for devices often requires public internet access, posing security risks. AWS Private CA Connector for SCEP now supports AWS PrivateLink, addressing this issue. You can request certificates from within your VPC without using the public internet. By creating VPC endpoints, you establish private connections to your SCEP connector. This keeps all traffic within the AWS network, enhancing security. The feature simplifies network connectivity by eliminating the need for internet gateways, NAT devices, or VPNs. This solution helps meet compliance requirements for private certificate management while streamlining the process for mobile, network, and IoT devices.